end of the world. It's just the end of a world that you have with one girl.
Hey.
You know I hate sleeping.
Weekly vlog. So when we ain't even gonna discuss how I look right now, I know I look disgusting. It's okay. This is gonna be a weekly vlog slash maintenance vlog because clearly, if you know me, you know I ain't got no nails on, so y'all already know. Got to go and get my claws back. So, gotta get our nails done. I gotta get my hair washed. Clearly, I had a ponytail. I had two ponytails actually. I had a ponytail and then I switched it to two ponytails for like 2 days. Cause I gotta blow out. The fucking rain ruined it. And I was just trying to make my little natural hair work because I've been on this healthy natural hair journey for like the last almost a year now. I've been going and getting my hair like treated and trimmed, just taken care of in between my weeks because that's the main thing that I will. So I gotta go get my hair washed and treated, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'ma just bring y'all with me. I really ain't got nothing planned for the weekend exactly. So y'all get in, be quiet, don't touch nothing. And yeah, I'm just bring y'all along and let y'all see what's going on. So come on in, put your little seatbelt on and let go.
I don't wish for my success, I speak it. I caught a buzz and you did too, but you tweaking. I look like I've been getting money, how reeking. You smell me, that's LV. Walk around
1 week later.
Hey, so look. I had said that I was gonna come back and talk to y'all a week ago after I had got my nails done, right? Right. Okay, so I did. I'm sorry. Charges to my head and not to my heart, okay? So, your girl just got a wax. Oh, and she gave me a little goodie bag. So fucking cute. Her name is Madison. So if you are in the PD area and you need a wax girl, come see my girl Madison at Deluxe Midi Spa. Now y'all can come see her. I'll show her a little bit. Get you a Madison, but just not mine, okay? Okay. Girl, that fucking hard wax is not for the weak. And when I tell you it felt like that lady was ripping my ass apart. Ripping my ass apart. Oh my god. I switched to sugar wax. So I went and got sugared. Cause you know it's my man's birthday and I'm trying to get like a Jamaican oxtail. And now I'm about to go to Ulta. What is today? Oh shit, I ain't talked to y'all since when I got my nails done? Last Thursday. I ain't talked to y'all since today is Thursday again, honey. So we got our wax. I'm going to Ulta so I could pick me up some I need another lip liner and another eyebrow pencil because my brow pencil is gone. I might check back in with y'all Sunday when we pack. Head ass. We made it. We're here. Excuse the room. I will give y'all a room tour, but after we come back after housekeeper cooked dinner here. But we made it yesterday, like about 4. We got Wingstop, came to the room. We didn't really do much because we was kind of tired because we got here a little late. But it's early. I've been up since like 7, girl. Normally I am not a morning girl, baby. I've been trying to sleep in, but when I be on vacation, it's like my body just be like, bitch, get up. So we about to get out. What time is it? Alexa, What time is it? It's 9:47, so I'm waiting on baby to finish so we can get it these strizzies. And I will check back in with y'all in just a little bit once we get together a couple of
But you want it, say you want chance to what it on me, I've been out what it back. Don't you run around and take it my way. Tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now. Say, tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now, no. No more damages. But then when I was a baby girl, I was yours and you were my world. Tell me
got my man's done secured the peg. Ooh, let me see the feet. You look good, boy. Ooh, okay, nice. Y'all finna go to Five Below. We done secured the box with the cookies. Now we gotta go to Five Below real quick. No luck on Five Below on the shorts. They ain't had nothing for baby, so we had to come to Walmart. Y'all wait. We was in Walmart, so baby find him some shorts, right? So we walking. So we at the register, we check out. We at self-checkout. Okay, so if you know, you know. All right, so boom. So it was like $6 and some change. So he throw a 20 in there. $14. All right, cool. So $11 come out the machine. What the fuck the rest of my change at? Why that thing spit out $3 worth of quarters? And what you here say, baby? Okay, so like I said, this is Monster. She a little gooey. It's peanut butter. So this is actually peanut butter, which is lit to me because I love peanut butter cookies. I love peanut butter anything. But I thought that it was gonna be like chocolate chip, but it's actually a peanut butter cookie, but just with the M&Ms and the chocolate chunks in it. Oh, baby, what you rate it? Oh, well, hell, you still eating, so it's a 10. Pink sugar. So I would imagine this is like a sugar cookie with pink icing. She's sweet, I tell you that. But I need some water. Milk. It needs some milk.
So far, Monster is about the best.
I'm stuck
Raspberry
between.
cheesecake is good.
Yeah. Pink sugar ain't nasty. It's just a sugar rush. Like I expected it to be, you know, like the Food Line sugar cookies. I expected it to be that, and y'all know them shits bust. If you know, you know. But that didn't give that. That's just sugar rush. And this the last one, sea salt toffee. Fix your face. You sniffing? What it smell like? Cookie.
Boy, if you don't get
Okay, first of all, it's good. It's real doughy in the middle. And it got salt on the top. I know it was sea salt toffee, but it got actual sea salt on the top of it. Now, I don't know how I feel about that.
It's okay.
It's okay. And it got caramel in the middle.
My
if y'all
top
can
my top
see.
two is the raspberry cheesecake and the
Monster.
M&M with the chocolate.
Same. Yeah. But if you like extra sweet, the pink sugar would be for you. If you love sweet pink sugar. That sea salt,
It's not bad.
it's giving acquired taste. Hey y'all, so we are back home. I know my light is bright as hell, but my kitchen light just, let me show y'all because my kitchen light do not give, so I don't know. We gonna have to make it do what it do. So if you see the glare, I'm sorry, but it's for the quality, because we want to give quality, okay? So we back home. We made it home yesterday. We had late checkout, so we just got up, went and got us some stores, went and got breakfast, and we came home. That was it. So we relax for the rest of the day. Today, I actually want to cook with y'all because I've been finding some good recipes on TikTok. And I seen this one for lasagna soup and I really want to try it because that shit look bomb. And I mean running out of shit to cook. Like, I'm one of them every day or every other day cookers. So I be needing some shit to keep me going. So that's what we're going to make today. I got to go get my cat. I was supposed to go get my child yesterday, but I got to go get my child today. So I gotta get my daughter, and then we're going to the store to get these ingredients for this soup. I'm gonna hit y'all back in just a little bit. Just got home, and you was already following me. All right, so we is back home. I'm about to get started with the soup. All right, so we about to start off with some ground Italian sausage. We don't do ground beef because ground beef don't be ground beefing the way that it used to. So we eat ground turkey now.
Don't get it? Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. Home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good thing. This for the dollar, hand for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. A handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you.
Because ain't nobody want to make it right. The girl on TikTok that only use one, but I'm gonna use two. Then you're supposed to do 3 cups of chicken broth, but I make my own chicken broth, so I'm gonna just use my chicken bouillon base for that.
And I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good thing. This for the dollar, hand for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to.
But everybody from TikTok didn't actually cook theirs. They just broke them up and put them in, so that's what we gonna do. But they say don't make them like too big, so I'm gonna try to make them like kind of small.
As you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good thing. This for protection. Make me your selection. Show me.
So, baby, what was your rating?
Get your ass.
So, what you rate dinner?
I give it a 10.
What? A perfect 1.0?
It was pretty good.
Okay, 1.0. Anything you want to tell people?
It was different.
Yeah, it was. Because I be feeling like I be cooking the same stuff all the time.
That was different. It was pretty good.
I thank you. Well, this is it for this 2 weeks of a vlog that was supposed to be 1 week, but it ended up being 2. So, until next time, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.